While goal setting is an important part of life all year round, the approach of the new year reminds us to reflect on our life and where we want to be. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. Welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to click the subscribe if you want regular updates on practical tips to organise your life. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. I'm here today to help you live your best life. If thinking about organising your entire home makes your palms sweat, you're not alone. Decluttering and organising every space in your house is a big commitment, involving a lot of effort and time. Having an organised home is a completely reasonable goal. But where do you start? The short answer is start small. When a project seems too big and too daunting, start with the smallest achievable step. Ask yourself, what sounds so easy that it makes you laugh? If you want to declutter your garage, but the thought makes you nervous, scale it back. How about decluttering one category of item like gardening tools? Maybe your smallest achievable step is sorting your toolbox. Maybe it's the top half of your toolbox, or even one compartment. When you've found a part of the project that is laughably doable, do it. Sort that single compartment in your toolbox, then congratulate yourself on a job well done. That one small task gets you closer to your goal and starts you off with a win. Little accomplishments are as addictive as big ones, and you'll soon find yourself taking the next step and the next. You get the hang of organising and start modifying what you do to achieve your goal even faster. Success fuels success, and if you keep the momentum up, organising will become part of your routine. You can do this as many times as it takes for you to feel comfortable in your new habit. And if you find yourself overwhelmed again when you get to the kitchen, don't give up. Start with the silverware drawer. Be patient and kind to yourself, and you'll be much more likely to succeed. Track your goals as you work to accomplish them. A record of success isn't just a mood booster for continuing your project, it also reassures you on days when you're not able to work on it. A tracking method lets you see all the hard work you've put in at a glance by looking at your calendar, app, or worksheet. There are tons of ways to track a goal. You can use our free printable habit tracker, an Excel spreadsheet, or make your own on graph paper. And there are also lots of apps to choose from. Some are free like Habit Share, which lets you share your habits with friends, and some are paid like Streaks, which features reminders and statistics and comes in at last count $4.99. As I said earlier, success feeds success, and by using a tracker you may become addicted to ticking things off your list. However you approach your life in the coming year, I know these tools will help you be more organised, live your best life now. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.